Here's a fast little recipe idea using these Kalettes. They've got a lovely nutty mild flavour, and when they're sautéed in the pan with Speck, they are super delicious. I'm going to serve this with some pasta. This pretty much takes 15 minutes to do. So what I'm doing is cutting them into quarters so they cook much faster in the pan, and I only need a small handful of these. And now into a pan I'll add some extra virgin olive oil. I'll turn the heat on and then immediately pop in some Speck. You could also use some bacon, and then just allow that to slowly render and crisp up. Once that's super crispy, I'll add the Kalettes, and I'll also add 2 cloves of garlic that I'll bruise, and then we can add the pasta. Now the pasta is on, it's al dente, and you can see that the Kalettes have wilted slightly, but they're still crunchy, and the Speck is perfectly cooked too. So now we simply add our bow ties. I love the bow ties because there's little pockets in it, and it's going to grab onto that sauce. So in it goes with some of the water, along with some ricotta, a few generous spoonfuls, and then some lemon juice, and then a generous handful of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now we'll give that a really quick toss and allow that ricotta to melt away and break down. You can get your spoon in there to break it up. I love this ricotta because what it's going to do is give a really light, saucy finish to this pasta. A quick toss to combine that and allow that ricotta to melt. Pasta is done so fast using an ingredient that you might not have worked with before. Kalette, super versatile, fantastic in a simple pasta just like this.